alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Oh, we got some news here. We got some special news. I just found out that someone wanted to enter Islam. So if you don't want to stay and see that, you can go ahead and go. Somebody wanted to enter into Islam. Is it from the sister's side or the brother's side? If you... Tell us your name.
Asrem.
MashaAllah, it's very nice to meet you. Now, do you know about Islam?
Just for 3-4 months.
Oh, 3 or 4 months. That's more than I had when I got started. You like Islam?
Yeah.
You believe there's only one God?
I know it's only one God.
You know it. Don't need to worry. You know it. Don't need to worry about that. And you believe Muhammad is his messenger?
Yeah.
No doubt? Easy. Careful. Good. Cool it. Yeah, that Muhammad is his messenger.
Yes, it's no doubt.
Okay, good. No doubt, she said. All right. Now, the next thing is, if you come into Islam, there are 6 things we believe. We believe in Allah, He's one, the only God. We believe in the angels. Allah has angels. We believe in the books. Allah sent books to people to read, to understand what is the religion. And we believe in the prophets, all the prophets of God. We believe in the day of judgment will be brought back. And we believe in Allah's power over everything. He already knows what's going to happen. You accept all that?
Yeah.
No doubt?
No.
Okay, good. Hold it. Easy. He's excited. All right. The next question I want to ask you is about the 5 things Muslims do. The first is to make a public declaration, which you're doing now. The next one is to establish worship 5 times a day. No problem?
I'm going to learn everything.
You're ready? Okay. That's great. And we fast the month of Ramadan, and we pay zakat, charity, and we make Hajj, pilgrimage. Okay? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You know, if you change your mind, we have to cut your head off. No. Strike that out. Back to tape up. I can't believe he said that. He said that. All right. Yeah, by the way, I'm from Texas. I can't help it. Say this after me. Just repeat after me, okay? We're going to do it English and Arabic, okay? You know Arabic? No. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Okay. I swear.
I swear
There's no God to worship.
there's no God to worship
Except Allah.
except Allah.
And I swear
And I swear
Muhammad is his messenger.
Muhammad is his messenger.
Okay, now hold on. Now we'll do Arabic. Ashadu
Ashhadu
an la
an la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
ashadu
ashhadu
an Muhammad
an Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Now. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. We're very happy for you, sister. Congratulations on coming to Islam. Allahu Akbar. It was worth a shot. Another one? Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Woo! Oh my God. This is a lovely surprise, isn't it? You know why we're excited? By the way, some of you don't know why we're so excited. Anytime somebody enters Islam, if you're there, you get huge blessings from Allah. There's forgiveness that comes down on all of us, forgiving us and forgiving us. Because anytime somebody enters Islam, it's like they were born again. They're coming into the fold of real submission to Almighty God. This is what Jesus preached. This is what John the Baptist preached. This is what Islam is teaching us, that this is really doing what you were created to do, to give over your will to the will of God. So after me, first of all, your name.
Anna.
It's very nice to meet you, and we're excited for you. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. And after, you heard what I told her, so everything's okay? All right. You can kind of look to everybody here so they'll know who you are and you'll know who they are. These are going to be your new brothers and sisters just in a couple seconds. Ready? I swear
I swear
there is no God to worship
there is no God to worship
except the one true God,
except the one true God,
Allah.
Allah.
And I swear
And I swear
Muhammad is his messenger.
Muhammad is his messenger.
Now the Arabic, Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la ilaha
an la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna Muhammad
an Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! We are very happy for you. We're very, very happy for you. And I have something that I want to share. It takes about 5 minutes after we get done and tell you all about it. But these girls can't wait to give you a big hug. So get over there and greet your new sisters. MashaAllah. All right, on. Whew. First of all, tell me your name.
Joey.
Again?
Joey?
Joey?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18 years old?
I'm 18.
So you don't want to be a Muslim.
I'm sure.
Why?
Because I've been looking for something and I found it now and I know it's Allah. Allah.
It's not. I swear
I swear
there's no God to worship
there's no God to worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
He has no partners.
He has no partners.
And I swear
And I swear
he's his messenger.
Muhammad is his messenger.
That's it. Now, okay, now. Easy.
Max?
Max?
Yes.
Is that short for Maximilian?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 17.
17. And you'd like to be a Muslim?
Yeah.
No doubt.
Nope.
You're sure?
Yeah. Well, it makes sense, and I like things that make sense. So,
All right. Anna Muhammad
Anna Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar.